Hello everyone, hope you are doing good. In this video tutorial, I will tell you about the dual WhatsApp in your device POCO C40. So if in this device, if you want to download a dual WhatsApp, or you can say a clone WhatsApp, like you already have one WhatsApp but you want to download another one, you can do this in the few steps as I will show you. You have to follow the steps and watch complete video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Now let's watch the video and download a dual WhatsApp in your device.